maneno wach ma pod wabro luwo mano timore wach no timore yor both wabro medo luwo ni wach machal kamano. Gai mar Azimio Kalonzo Musyoka okoni duond bura mar Azimio ngirore konyiero joma koni Azimio no sepodho kolose kinde twak gi jo Kenya modak Maryland e piny Amerika. Kalonzo mantie limbe mar kono kwedo tend William Ruto mokoni thiro demokrasia kabedo jo Kenya modak e pinje maoko mondo ndikre kaka joluto mbulu. Okoni kaka jatend Azimio oikore mar medo mbimbare kendo nyayo demokrasia kaloro ni en kod nyalo mane ni piny Kenya obedo kod telo makare.
Mahakama Kuu, the Court of Appeal, actually decided the majority party in the National Assembly after the last election was not UDA, it was Azimio coalition. That has not been placated in court, but that's why now my brother Ruto is making noise. Na piga kelele because anaona sasa hii Kiumana na because he was hoping he can grab hold of ODM. But ODM pia wamezungumza openly huko Busia, wakasema they are not in UDA. And so they Azimio pamoja wa Kenya. That is the argument inaendelea, very healthy argument. Kutusaidie kwa maombi ndio William Ruto amke aone the constitution says Kenya is a multi-party democracy. Our people are suffering great poverty, injustice, and if that is not enough, they even being beaten by police for no reason. And when they want to go and worship their God, they are tear gassed. Just imagine what watoto wadogo.
Iten migao mar omenda John Badi